Gambel's quail, Calipepla gambeli, 9.8 inches, 25 centimeters. Gambel's quail are gregarious birds of the desert southwest, where coveys gather along brushy washes and cactus-studded arrows to feed. Males and females both sport a bobbing black topknot of feathers. The male's prominent black belly patch distinguishes it from the similar California quail. This ground-hugging desert dweller would rather run than fly. Look for these stubby birds running between cover or posting a lookout on low shrubs. Like other quail, Gambel's quail are plump, volleyball-sized birds with short necks, small bill, and square tail. The wings are short and broad. Both sexes have a comma-shaped topknot of feathers atop their small heads, fuller in males than females. It is richly patterned in gray, chestnut, and cream that can serve as excellent camouflage. Males have a bright rufous crest, chestnut flanks striped with white, and a creamy belly with black patch. Females are grayer, lacking the strong head pattern. Neither sex is as strongly scaled as the California quail is. Gambel's quails walk or run along the ground in groups called coveys that can include a dozen or more birds. They scratch for food under shrubs and cacti, eating grasses and cactus fruits. Flight is explosive, powerful, and short. It lives in the hot deserts of the southwest, the Sonoran, Mojave, and Chihuahuan, below about 5,500 feet elevation. Frequents mesquite thickets along river valleys and arroyos, shrublands, and cactus, dry grasslands, and agriculture fields. Gambel's quail eat mostly plants. They eat seeds of grasses, shrubs, forbs, trees, and cactus, and will pick mesquite seeds from cattle and coyote droppings. They also eat leaves and grass blades. From summer into fall, berries and cactus fruit, including cholla, saguaro, and prickly pear, become an important part of the diet. Gambel's quail also eat insects, especially in spring and through the peak of the nesting season. Chicks eat only animal matter for the first few days after hatching, including beetles, small worms, moth caterpillars, and grasshoppers. Females Gambel quail typically select a concealed nest site on the ground, shielded beneath a shrub or in a clump of cactus or other protective vegetation. Occasionally, they build a nest in trees that provide a stable platform, occasionally as high as 32 feet off the ground. Gambel's quail are primarily found in the desert regions of the southwestern United States and northern Mexico. Their range extends from southeastern California to western Texas, with major populations in Arizona and including parts of Nevada, Utah, and Colorado. They inhabit various desert environments, including shrubland, chaparral, and woodlands, and are often found in washes, river valleys, and near riparian areas. Both male and female Gambel's quail give a distinctive 3 to 4 note call when separated from covey members. Potential threats or something suspicious near the covey triggers a chip, chip, chip. And if a direct threat occurs, the birds give a creer, creer, or squawk alarm call as they take wing. During the breeding season, males announce their availability with a caw or cow call given from an elevated perch. Whenever you're trying to find these little birds, look for Gambel's quail in the early morning and late afternoon, when temperatures are moderate and the birds are active. Otherwise, you'll need to look carefully at ground level. If you get too close without seeing them, they may startle you by suddenly exploding into flight. Overall, these little quails will be your perfect find for your next door neighbor when you see them running and skittering along your next front yard.